Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up sections you have purchased from ArhamCommerce in your theme. Once you download your file from your email, you will get a README file like this. You will find out this two line of code in it. Copy that code. Now go to your online store admin panel and from there go to online store themes. Here you will find out all the themes you want, but now I will show you in this theme how to add the code. Click edit code and it will open up a theme editor like this. You have to go to theme.liquid, which is already open here, and find out the closing head tag. So here it's in your theme. Paste the code here and then you have to save. And that's it. Once you add this code, your all sections will start working fine. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to reach out to our support for any help. Thank you.